Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x8096002A, the extraction operation was not completed in Windows, then please watch this video. So while you find many solutions across the internet, I will show you the simplest one. Search for 7-zip in the Windows search bar and download this tool. I have to download it anyway because it's a very useful tool. Now click on download and click on the exe file to install it. Click on install and that's it. Now go to the zipped folder and here's what you have to do. Right click on it and select show more options. Select 7-zip, select extract files, choose the location and click on OK. And yes, the job is done. The file will be extracted and your problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice